Zach's Toy World. Hi friends, today we're going to do rocket launch. This is the nose cone, that is the coupe, this is the rocket pins, and this is the bottle. So it's going to launch up like this. Everybody wants to do the rocket pins and nose cone on the bottle. We put the nose cone on using sellotape. Now we're going to do the same for the rocket pins. This is going to be so much fun. In space, in space. Everybody, we're putting the rocket now. We're going to put the cork in the bottle. We're going to launch the rocket now! And don't forget guys, we're going to need a pump. This is mission launch! Hi everybody, I'm here now. I'm about to pump the rocket! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, look how high the rocket went. That's so cool. Did you see that? That was so cool. Mission accomplished. I hope you enjoyed the rocket launch. Don't forget to subscribe.